Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Today we will see the problems in area and perimeter of combined figures. Okay. We shall recall the formulas. Area of a triangle is equal to half into BH square units. Okay. Then area of an equilateral triangle is equal to dash. That is root 3 by 4 a square units. This is the formula to find the area of the equilateral triangle. Okay. Then area of the quadrilateral. Yes, you studied in 7th standard. How it will be? How is the quadrilateral? H1, H2. Okay, this is D. Then it will be 1 by 2 into D into H1 plus H2 square units. Okay. Then area of a parallelogram. BH square units. Then area of a triangle, area of a rectangle. L into B square units. Then area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium is 1 by 2 into A plus B into H square units. Then area of the rhombus, half into D1 into D2 square units. If they given the base and height means the same BH square units. Okay, for rhombus. Then area of a square, A square units. Okay. The value of pi. What is the value of pi in fraction? 22 by 7. Then in decimal, 3.14. Okay. Then value of root 3, 1.732. Yes. Then root 2, 1.414. Okay. You are clear in formulas. Exercise 2.2. Second sum. Find the area of the shaded part, where you have to use pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. This is the diagram. We have to find the shaded region area. Okay. It is a shape of square. One side is 10 centimeter means all the sides are 10 centimeter. Okay. What are these? What is the shape of this? It is a quadrant. Yes. How many quadrants here? 4 quadrants, isn't it? So, here, from here to here is the radius. From here to here is the radius. So, you have to divide 10 by 2. So, here the radius is 5. Have you understood? For the quadrant, the radius is 5. Okay. Now, we have to find the area of square and subtract 4 area of quadrants. Isn't it? First, we shall take the square. For square, what and all we have? A is equal to 10 centimeter. Then another one we have, that is quadrants. For that we need R. So for that R is equal to 10 by 2 centimeter. That is equal to 5 centimeter. Have you understood? Now we shall do the problem. Then diameter of a quadrant is 10 centimeter. Radius is 5 centimeter. Side of a square A is equal to 10 centimeter. Then area of the shaded part is equal to area of the square minus area of 4 quadrants. Okay. Area of 4 quadrants is equal to area of a square is A square. Area of 4 quadrants is 4 into 1 by 4 into pi r square. Square units. Okay, now 10 into 10 minus 4 into 1 by 4 into, you have to take pi as 3.14 into 5 into 5. Now 100 minus this 4 gets cancelled. So 3.14 into 25. Okay, then you have to multiply these. Then it will be 78.5. Now you subtract from 100.00. Okay, this 78.5 you are going to subtract. 0. Here you are borrowing, then it will becomes 9. Here you are borrowing, it will become 9. Then here it will become 10. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. And 9 minus 8, 1. Okay, then 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, 21.5 centimeter square. So the area of the shaded part is equal to 21.5 centimeter square. Okay. The next, find the area of the combined figure given, which is got by the joining of two parallelograms. Okay. Here they are given the combined figure, and also they said it has joined by two parallelograms. Here one parallelogram and here one parallelogram. Okay. They are given the measurements. That is base is 8 centimeter. Here 6 centimeter height. So you take for this 3 and this 3. Okay. Base of the parallelogram is 8 centimeter. Height of the parallelogram is 3 centimeter. Like this we have two parallelograms. Okay. You have to add both parallelograms area, then say the area of the combined figure. Okay. Area of the combined figure is equal to area of two parallelograms. And area of a parallelogram is BH. Two parallelograms are there with same measurement. So 2 into BH square units. So 2 into base is 8 and height is 3. So 2 into 8 into 3. So 8 3s are 24, 2s are 48 centimeter square. So the area of the given figure is equal to 48 centimeter square. Okay. We shall move to the fourth problem. Fourth problem. Find the area of the combined figure given formed by joining a semicircle of diameter 6 centimeter with a triangle of base 6 centimeter and height 9 centimeter. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. What are the shapes we have here? One triangle and one semicircle. Yes. They are given the measurements. Using this you have to find the area of this combined figure. Okay. Solution. The combined figure, triangle and semicircle. Okay. See the triangle. Here the base is 6 centimeter and the height is 9 centimeter. Okay. Then for the semicircle, diameter is equal to 6 centimeter and radius is equal to 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to take pi is equal to 3.14. So area of a combined figure is equal to area of the triangle plus area of the semicircle. Okay. Then 1 by 2, you have to area of the triangle is 1 by 2 into BH square units plus 1 by 2 into pi r square. Half pi r square is the area of semicircle, isn't it? Okay. Now you have to substitute the values. B is 9, H is 6 plus 1 by 2 into take 3.14 into 3 into 3. Now if you can cancel means you cancel. Will come 9 3s are like this, otherwise 54 by 9 6 are 54 by 2 is 27. Like this also you can keep. Okay, if you cancel means 9 3s are 27 will come. Okay, now 1 by 2 into here you can cancel. You can cancel, no? Otherwise you multiply 9 into 3.14 is 28.26 divided by 2. Okay, 28.3 is 26 into divided by 2 means 1 times, 4 times, 4 2s are 8, 1 times and 3 times. Okay, so 14.13. Now add these two, 14.13 and 27.00. Then if you add it will come 41.13. So the area of the combined figure is equal to 41.13 centimeter square. Okay. Then the fifth problem. The doormat which is in a hexagonal shape, find its area. Okay, hexagon means how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Okay, hexagon. They are given the measurements in the diagram itself. 90 centimeter here, then 70 centimeter here, then the height is 70 centimeter. Okay. Now we have two trapeziums here. Here the base is here. Here the top is 90 centimeter, 70 centimeter. That is B. Okay. Trapezium. Two trapeziums. You split into two trapeziums. Then the height is 70 centimeter. So here 35, here 35. Okay. Height is equal to 70 by 2 is equal to 35 centimeter. Now area of the doormat is equal to area of two trapeziums. Two trapeziums. Okay. 2 into 1 by 2 into a plus b into h square units. Now you substitute the values. So 90 plus 70 into 35. So 160 into 35 is equal to, you can cancel 2 and 2 here. Then 90 plus 70, 160 into 35 is equal to 5600 centimeter square. Then answer, area of the doormat is equal to 5600 centimeter square. Okay. We shall move to the sixth question. A rocket drawing has the measurements given. Okay. Find its area. The here rocket in the shape, water shape. This is one trapezium. This is one rectangle and this is one triangle. Then write the measurements. Here the height is 20 centimeter. Okay. The base A is 50 centimeter. B is 30 centimeter. Okay. The next rectangle. Take the rectangle. Here 120 means here the height is 20 centimeter. Here also the height is 20 centimeter. So subtract this 20 minus 20 minus 20. Then 120 minus 40 is equal to 80 centimeter. So here the base is 80 centimeter. Okay. Then the breadth is 30 centimeter. Length is equal to 80 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 30 centimeter. Then another one triangle we have. Isn't it? Okay. The triangle means base is equal to 30 centimeter. Here height is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. Base 30 means the opposite sides are equal in the rectangle. So breadth, both are breadth. So base is 30 centimeter for this triangle and the height is 20 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find the area of the rocket. Area of the rocket is equal to area of the trapezium plus area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle. Okay. Here the area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 into a plus b into h plus L into B is the area of the rectangle plus 1 by 2 into BH is the area of the triangle, square units. Now you are substituting A plus B, 50 plus 30, then into 20. Okay, you can cancel this, it will come as 10. So 50 plus 30 is 80. 80 into 10, 800. We understood? Then next one, 80 into 30. Then it will be 2400. 8 3s are 24. Then 0, 0. 2400 plus 1 by 2 into Here BH, B is 30 and H is 20. 3, and then you can cancel, means you can cancel. Then remember 10. 10 into 30 is 300 centimeters square. Now add all these. 800 plus 2400 plus 300. 0, 0, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 5, remainder 1 and 3500 centimeters square. Okay, so the area of the rocket is 3500 centimeters square. Okay, you have to write the question with answer. Okay, in the classwork note. You have to see the video clearly. Then only you can answer the assignments. Okay. Don't forget to send the assignment. Thank you. Have a nice day.